Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava, your founder of Online Study for You, and there is a big hiring news which is coming here from TCS here only for 2025 batch. I wanted to make it very clear. This opportunity are for the student, those who had already given the interview and were rejected. Okay, so new hiring, that means new apply link will not be there. Now here there are a lot of things which has happened. Many people are called for coding test, many people are called for interview, for many people direct document verification has also started. So there are a lot of things has happened. In this video I am going to explain you whatever I know, and after that you have to comment in this video so that all other people will be able to know. Okay, and friends, please do join the Telegram group, because lot of people are doing this communication. See, when I make videos, right, and if you go to Telegram channel and if you see, okay, so this particular student had given the interview on this particular date, has received this, received that. Okay, so what you can do, my dear friends, so join the Telegram group as soon as possible. And there are two WhatsApp groups also, WhatsApp channels, so that you will be getting all the information. Now, so there are three types of things has happened. Okay, let us try to understand. So few of the student has got coding test. Okay, few of the student has got interview calls, and few of the student has got document verification mail. That means there will be next joining process. So these are the three things has happened. And friends, once again I want to thank TCS here. At least something they are doing for the student, because they had done mass rejection without any reason, and they have realized, and now they are at least doing something. So I am really happy, because 2025 batch, they had lot of hopes after the interview, and now at least this is a time where we are going to utilize all those things. Okay, now the first screenshot which you are seeing, and this particular candidate had given ninja interview and rejected. Now she has been invited for the coding test. Okay, so here you see what all things they have given. Greetings from Tata Consultancy Services, and all these people have received the bot call. Okay, bot call and even email. So bot call, no, so they were asking like after 1 month can you join, or 1 to 2 months, or 2 to 6 months. So this kind of information they wanted, and I had made a video earlier that you have to select yes. Okay, now so TCS career, okay, TCS coding test, year of passing only for 2025 batch, not for the new batch. I mean the student who had not written TCS, it is only for the student those who were rejected during the interview. So greetings from Tata Consultancy Services Limited. Opportunity do not knock twice. Let's this one date. We truly appreciate the effort and potential you demonstrated during the recruitment process earlier, and believe that you have enhanced your skill set. We are excited to present a unique opportunity. So opportunity does not knock the door twice, friends. We are excited to present a unique opportunity to get hired at for TCS. Stand a chance to secure a TCS offer with salary up to 12 lakhs per annum. At the next step, we will be scheduling a coding specific test process, and more details on the same will be shared in the coming weeks. So generally within 1 or 2 weeks your test will be there. Kindly request you to fill the form given below. 10th of Feb is the last date. Okay, we believe in giving talented individual a chance to sign, and look forward to you excelling with us on journey to be the world's largest AI led technology. Okay, so now this is the form which will open like this. So here, okay, kindly, okay, now here email, then TCS ID, candidate name, email ID, and then here AIML data science. So whatever your you can select from here. So C, C++, Python. So maybe probably in that language only coding test will be there. Okay, TCS reference ID, candidate name, email ID. So select their skills. So select their skills. So these are the skills we have to select. TCS CT preference 1. Test CT preference 1, test CT preference 2. Do not select the same CT. Test CT preference 3. So friend, this exam is going to happen offline. Okay, so after the coding test there will be an interview, and then you will be selected. So this is the opportunity, please don't miss it. And I'm not going to advertise here. Okay friends, it is very clear. See, there are many people who got selected in TCS. Even you could have seen on our YouTube also, right? So post and all I'll be always keep putting. So for the selected student here, right? So Abhishek selected in TCS, right? So we always keep putting this kind of post. So definitely the selection comes only through the I mean a systematic effort, right? So this TCS NQT crash course is definitely going to help you. So for coding also you can prepare from this TCS NQT crash course. So there is one PDF file now which we are going to upload today itself. There you have around 200 questions solved in C++, Java and Python. So DSA white book. So that is going to help you in achieve any of this coding test. Okay, and coding videos are already there. So in this 2 weeks you can go through this coding sheet as well. So it's up to you. And then interview, if you're called for the interview, go for interview. So this is not promotion. Some people wanted to prepare but they don't know from where to get this kind of resources. So this informations are for the student, those who are not aware. If you're aware, you can skip this part. But tomorrow, there will be only regrets in your hand that, okay, if I would have got this, I would have been selected. Now this is a second opportunity and you also know how many opportunities you have in your hand. So utilize it properly. That is what I will say. Anyway, let us come down. Now, for some student, as I said, so there is a direct interview. So greetings from TCS Pune campus team. So we are glad that you are now one step closer to becoming a proud TCSer. TCS, this is an exclusive invite letter for you. Kindly do not share this invite letter with anyone. Request you to be physically present on the premises 30 minutes before your interview timings. Please do not carry any electronics, okay? All those things. Dress code formals only. Candidate failing to appear for the interview on the given date will not be rescheduled. Government ID proof, Aadhaar card you have to take. So 9th of Feb 2026, Monday, 8:30 AM. Okay, Sahyadri Park, Tata Consultancy Services, plot number 2 and 3, Sahyadri Park, Rajiv Gandhi Infotech Park, Hinjewadi, Man, phase 3, Pune. Okay, point of contact, Aditi Srivastava. So document required. So this is, for many digital and prime rejected candidates are now getting chance to give the interview. So I don't know who, even Ninja also are getting direct interview, that I don't know, because for many Ninja candidate, they have directly got the document verification mail after they accepted this bot calls. Okay, so this is for digital and prime basically. So document required: TCS application form, Aadhaar card, printout of the following document, 10th 12th graduation post graduation experience document. Okay, now so this is for the interview, and we have also launched this interview material for 2026 batch. So this is the latest one, and this will give you already so many mock interviews has been also done. So this is required for you. That's all. Okay, now so friends, I was talking to some candidates today, and then they were telling, sir, I directly got, after I accepted the bot call from Ninja, so I directly got document verification mail, so no interview and all. So they will be directly called for the joining for the Mumbai location. So for the Mumbai location, many of the them has got the bot call, and now document verification is going on, and then they will be going to join in Mumbai. Now there are many questions might come in your mind, sir, why for many candidates, right, whatever profile, so direct joining is there, why for many interview is there, and why for many there is coding test is there. Okay, so friends, this all depends upon the requirement. Now TCS has the requirement, so that is the reason TCS is doing all those things. So in that also they will look at the profile. Now suppose they have got a project, okay, where Java is required. So now Java candidate, they need it badly. For Java candidate, they will not go for the coding test and then the interview. Okay, so all those things they will not do. And some people had performed well in this coding, but still they were not able to clear the cutoff for digital, so they will be getting coding test. Okay, some people they wanted on immediate basis, they will be getting direct joining. Some people they need it after 1 or 2 months, so they will be going for the interview. So there will be certain kind of things will be there which will be happening. Now I wanted to know from you, right, that so you were like appeared for Ninja, okay, and then you were rejected, and now what call you got, okay, so coding test or interview. Now you appeared for digital or prime, and then you were rejected, and now for what profile or directly interview, or what else you have got. So this kind of things you please put in the comment section, so that we will get more and more data, and it will definitely help you to analyze that. Okay, so what is going to happen. Thank you, take care, all the very very best. Even smallest for information I will be keep giving it to you. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like the video. Take care, bye bye.